Guys, look at this bike. I know you've seen them before. You know, LTs. We've all seen them. We love them. They're beautiful. One of my favorite bikes of all time, for sure. But this one is a true unicorn LT. Guys, this is a 2009. I literally rolled up on this in the driveway seconds ago on this bike. I had to put it on a charger, so I don't know if it will start. It probably will. I did ride it home, so it should have a little charge in it. But this is before I've cleaned it up. I haven't done anything except ride this bike home. I couldn't pass this one up. Look at those miles. How does this bike even exist? 2,107 miles on an 09. This is an absolutely brand new LT. Everything on this bike is perfect. There is nothing going on here. It's all in perfect condition. Can't open the side cases because I don't know. I have to either figure out the alarm system or I don't even know what all these beeps mean. Ah, there we go. Got them open. Check it out. Even has the original BMW torch in it. Batteries are dead. There is something you never see. Unbelievable that this bike exists. CD changer. Actually has a toolkit in it. Very minimal toolkit, but it's there. It does have a replaced battery in it of unknown quality, but I'll find that out once I get it fully charged. The guy did tell me that he replaced the battery last year, so hopefully it's going to resurrect and it's going to be great. Wow, this thing is just a stunner. I can't even get over this. What a bike. What a beautiful, beautiful example of one of these LTs. I will be bringing you this bike. Look at this, it even has the funnels in it still. This bike is an ultimate unicorn. It's got 2 fobs, all the paperwork. Literally, this thing is as factory fresh as it can possibly be. I'm going to be going through this bike, though, with you online. You're going to be able to see it. You'll be able to appreciate everything about it. And you will have an opportunity to purchase this bike from me. Why wouldn't I keep this one myself? Well, because I have this one over here. I've got my K16. Look at this thing, though. Oh, I don't have my flashlight on me. I'll bring this video out to you, but everything is just crisp and new. Look at there. There's still the original marks. All of the foams are perfect. There's no leaks on this thing. The radiators are completely clean. The engine, spotless. I'm just in awe. I'm in awe that a bike like this even still exists. 2,107 miles. It has the original tires on it. Now guys, I'm going to be changing the tires. No chance I'm going to leave those brand new Metzlers on there with only 2,000 miles. No way, not a chance. Those things are 2009 tires. I don't know if they have dry rot in them. I'm just going to assume they are. And those are definitely getting changed too. I'm going to change the brake lines for you. Look at that. Oh, just this little tiny minor scuff right there from, must have tipped over at the gas station. Let's see if this side's got any. Nope. This one's as clean as can be. What a gorgeous bike. I'll tell you what. Maybe I will keep this one. I don't even know. No, it's got a mount here for a GPS. They must have had one at one time, or it came with it factory. You can see it even has the original cover. So this thing was actually wired up for a GPS, but one did not get sold with it. Otherwise, this stuff, it would have been occupied here. Wow, what a stunner. I can't wait to tear into this one. I hope you guys follow along on this video. I'm going to clean it up because it's got just storage, fog on it. I picked it up out of a garage that was a machine shop garage. And, I'm sure there's oils and stuff floating around there. This bike would win awards. Follow along, guys. Super excited about this one.